everybody. All right, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to divide out common factors. And this is basically like a prereq skill that you're going to need when you get into simplifying rationals. All right, basically what you're going to do is that anytime you see the same factor in your numerator and denominator, they will divide out and equal 1. For example, I see x plus 3 in the numerator, and I see the same thing in the denominator. They divide out to equal 1. And my final answer will just be x minus 8 over x minus 7, since that's what's left. All right, let's look at another example. As you can see, what I have in parentheses is not the same in the numerator and denominator. However, I do have the monomial for x that's in the numerator and the denominator. Since they're the exact same thing, they divide out to equal 1. And then my final answer will just be x minus 10 over 5x plus 1. All right, let's look at another example. As you can see, we have x minus 1 in the numerator and the denominator, so they will divide out. And if you look at my monomials, I have 16x over 8. Let's talk about that for a second. 16x over 8 basically means you're dividing. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So technically, it will be a 2x in that numerator that we left over, as well as the x plus 3 that didn't divide out with anything. And you still have your x plus 7 in your denominator. Let's look at one more example. As you can see, the x minus 5s both are in the numerator and denominator, so they will divide out. I also have a 10 that will divide out in the numerator and your denominator. But if you notice right here, I have x squared over x. Let's talk about that. When you see something like this, what you're really looking at is x times x over x. And one of the x's will divide out, which just leaves you with one x in the numerator. So sometimes you'll see me do this in the class. And I still have my x plus 4 left over in my numerator and my x minus 8 left over in my denominator. And that's it.